What's up, guys? Will H back with another video. So today we're going to be unboxing the Samsung Galaxy Tab S9. Now, I picked up the smaller version of this for several reasons, and I'll get into that in the video. They made some great improvements on this. So I got this from Samsung. I got it for $417. I traded in an old Samsung Galaxy Tab SE. And I only paid $350 for that tablet. I bought an open box, and that's what they're giving me back, the $350. So some of the features and details on this device right here. So they have improved the display on this. They put in a dynamic AMOLED display on all of their tablets now, even with the smaller one. This one didn't used to have the better display, but now it does. So it has an 11-inch display, dynamic AMOLED, 2560 by 1600, 120 hertz refresh rate. It's Corning Gorilla Glass 5 as well. Now you got, this is IP68, water and dust resistant up to 5 feet for 30 minutes. Now that is something new. So if you're caught up in the rain or something like that with your tablet for some reason, you don't have to worry about it because it's going to be water resistant now. So you got a bigger battery in here. You got an 8,400 milliamp hour battery. The last one last year was only 8,000. They also have super fast charging this time around as well. Another improvement they did with this has the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, which is a big difference right there. So that should help with battery life on this as well. Now you can get this in 8 gigabytes of RAM, 120 gigabytes of storage. Or you can also get this in 12 gigabytes of RAM, 256 gigabytes of storage. Now, since I bought this from Samsung, they automatically upgraded me to the 256 gigabyte. Now, this does have an SD card slot that you can put up to a 1 terabyte card in there as well. Now, this has cameras on it. The front camera is going to be a 12 megapixel, ultra wide f2.4, and the rear camera is going to be a 13 megapixel f2.0. So those are a few of the features and details right there. Here's the packaging. You guys see Samsung Galaxy Tab S9, a picture of the device there. Got that over here. And then that is it. So let's go ahead and get into this and check it out. So this is much easier for me to travel with, put in my bag. Another reason why I didn't go with a bigger tablet. I had the Apple iPad mini for a little while, but it was just too small, man. I love that device, but my tablets, I tell you what I use them for. I use them for a lot of content, you know, watching movies and stuff like that when I'm not at home. But I also use my tablets for video editing. So that is my video edit on the go. Here's my Z Flip 5, really nice device. So in the packaging, you're gonna get your S Pen, and it looks just like the S Pen from before. Got your button there, flat side right there. No branding on it though. And also in the packaging, we're gonna get our, what we have here, and I didn't tear it on the other end this time. So we got our charging cable, which is a white cable. Surprised me, Type-C to Type-C, which is a good look, but there's no charging brick, of course. We don't get that kind of stuff no more. Put that back and then see what we got here. This is going to be your paperwork and stuff here. You got a, I guess you call that a SD card slot remover. And then you got your paperwork, and that's pretty much it as far as the unboxing. I always be wishing that they put something extra in my box, but they never do. So let's take a look at the tablet. Now you can get this in beige and also this color that I have, which is the graphite, I think it is, which is like a gray color. And I didn't want to, originally I ordered the Tab S9 Plus, but I changed my mind. I said I don't want that bigger one there. So here it is, as you guys see, very nice looking device here. You got your camera right there, which is the 13 megapixel, and the flash right there. And this is where your S Pen goes right here. Now, they were talking about the big deal where you can face it either way and it'll stay on there either way this year, which is good. I see that it is, and it's on there. So on the bottom, you got your pogo pins there for official keyboard. This side, you got your Type-C charging port, 2 speakers. It has 4 speakers. At the top, power button, volume up and down, rockers, couple of microphones. This way you put your micro SD card right there. And then you got 2 more speakers on this side with a microphone. Very thin, feels very premium. Here's your 12 megapixel camera on the front. And your display here. Very minimal bezels, as you guys see. Let's go ahead and power this up. And there's the boot up logo right there, secured by Knox. Gonna go ahead and put my information in, and I'll come right back. All right, guys, so we're back in, and I've been playing with this just for a few minutes, man. And I gotta tell you, this is the tablet to get from Samsung this year. And I've only played with it just a few seconds, but I can tell you, just from that few seconds, this device is dope. And the display is absolutely gorgeous on this device right here. They put the dynamic AMOLED display on here, and it's really fast, smooth. I haven't signed into anything, but I can tell you right now, this is going to be dope. It's not too big, just the right size, and it's going to be perfect for me. So let's go ahead and get my weather going here. Like I said, I haven't even signed into my Google stuff. Haven't loaded any apps or anything on here. And it's great. So let's take a look at it and see what's all on the device. So, of course, you're going to have your Samsung apps there. You got your Google stuff here as well. Microsoft right there. Galaxy Pix. Oh, so they got LumaFusion, Clip Studio, and GoodNotes already here on the device. That's awesome. We got Play Store, Galaxy Store, Samsung Notes, Files, Messages, Internet. You know, you guys can see everything that's there. That's pretty much it as far as what comes on here. You get Netflix as well. And then over here, this would be your Google Feed, I think it's called. You got your dock down here as well for easily switching through apps. I like that down there. Let's see what else we got here. The display, like I said, with this wallpaper is very dope. Here's your quick toggles right here. Some of your same stuff there. You got Smart View, Nearby Share. I've already put it in dark mode. Eye Comfort. You know, just your normal stuff here. Stream recorder as well. Let's go into, nope, I don't want to turn it off. Let's go into the settings. And this does have Samsung Dex as well. So here it is. So let's see just how much storage. They upgraded me to the 256. I want to see how much this is using out of the box. If I can find storage here. There it is. So out of the box, out of the 256, I have 217.5 gigabytes available, which is not bad. Let's go to About, and let's go to software information. Running One UI version 5.1.1, Android 13, and then it's on the July 1st, 2023 security patch. So that is pretty much it as far as the software and stuff. Here's your S Pen. Of course, with the S Pen, you're going to be able to do a lot of stuff with this. Control this remotely if you want to control your camera. You can copy and paste all kinds of stuff with the S Pen, and it's going to be nice. So it's going through the setup right there. You can stroll about with this. Like I said, you can select things. Let's go to the web here. And what I'm excited about using this, like I said, I use my tablets a lot to do, video editing and stuff like that. So let's go to Samsung Dex. Check that out right here. So Dex is a desktop type environment that you can use on this, and it is great. So you can have different things open here. So if I wanted this over here, I can put that over here. This is Dex. Now, when I come back and talk about this device, after having it for a little while, then I'll go into all of that. But yeah, man, I think if you want a Samsung tablet this year and you don't like the big ones, if you like the big ones, go for one of those. But this is the perfect size for me right here. So this is my unboxing and first impressions. Very impressed with the screen, the colors, the size of it, and the weight. Very thin, very premium feeling. Will H. Catch you guys in the next video. I'm out.